Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video I am going to show you how to search for effects on Instagram. Now you need to know that there are two ways you can search for effects on Instagram, which I am going to show you right now on this video. Let's proceed. The first way to search for effects on Instagram is first to head over to your Instagram. Then you click on your story. On the story, you just have to select the video or the photos that you want to use. Then you click the drop down there. Then you will see effects. Click on it and then you select from anyone that you want. There are several effects here. So this is the first way you can search for effects on Instagram. Now I am going to show you the second way to search for effects on Instagram. So let's head back. Then you click the plus symbol at the top. So now you're still going to select the video, or you choose camera. So for me, I'll just select a video. Let me select a video or a photo. Let me select a video. Then you click next. So what you're going to do now is to click edit video. After that, you swipe down and then you see effect there. Click on it. Then you will see several effects. You have to choose the one you want. There are so many. Instagram has so many effects. So this is how you can be able to see effects on Instagram. Please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because this video has come to an end. Thank you.